Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gastromania. Today we are going to be sharing a Malay recipe, Ayam Masak Merah. It tastes spicy with Rempah spices added but has an additional twist of tomatoes in it. A unique dish that is sure to wow your guests. Without further ado, let's get right into the recipe. First, let's prepare the chicken legs. We will need about 4 chicken legs. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and coat it evenly around the chicken legs. And before I forget, do cut 2 to 3 deep cuts into the chicken legs. This will allow the marinade to enter faster and let the chicken cook more evenly later. Next, for the essential ingredients, we have 1 cinnamon stick, 5 cloves, 1 Star Anise, 5 Green Cardamom pods. We will also need 2 stalks of lemongrass, which is not shown in this video, 1 tablespoon of Coriander Powder, 2 tablespoons of Gula Melaka, 2 tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 150 grams of Rempah. The Rempah recipe is simple and here's how to make it. We have 150 grams of shallots, 5 cloves of garlic, 5 large red chillies. They have to be deseeded. A few bird's eye chilies. You can add more if you prefer a spicier sambal. Next, we have 25 grams of galangal, 25 grams of turmeric, 6 candle nuts, 35 grams of dried chilies. You will have to deseed them and soak them in water later on. Three stalks of lemongrass, we only need to use the white part and cut them finely. Ten grams of belacan, dry toast the belacan and grind it finely.
Bye.
Blend the shallots and garlic finely into a paste. Add some oil to make the blending process much easier. After that, blend the remaining ingredients into a paste as well. Add some oil into a wok. It doesn't have to be too much as you can add more later on if it's too dry. Add the shallot garlic paste into the wok and fry until fragrant. add the remaining chili paste into the wok and mix it evenly. Fry this rempah until the chili oil is forced out and darkens. Remove the rempah and set it aside. And with that, let's get cooking. Fry the chicken legs at medium-high heat. If you have a small wok, fry it in 2 separate batches and do not overcrowd the wok. Otherwise, the chicken legs will cook unevenly. Once done, set them aside on kitchen towels to absorb the excess oil. Using the same oil used for frying the chicken, fry the powdered lemongrass. Once the fragrance of the lemongrass is released, add the remaining spices. Fry the spices until their fragrances are released. Then, add the rempah into the spices and fry it slightly. Add 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Then, add the prepared chicken legs. Fry it for some time to absorb the flavors from the spices. Then, add the cut tomatoes. Add the ketchup. Mix everything evenly and allow the chicken legs to absorb all of the flavors for about 5 minutes. Then, add 1.5 liters of boiling water. Ensure that the chicken is completely submerged under water. Once the sauce starts boiling, add the Gula Melaka. Make sure to taste the sauce and adjust it to your preference. Cover the wok and let it boil for about 10 minutes to thicken the sauce. After 10 minutes, you can either serve it or turn off the fire and let the chicken rest to absorb more flavor. And the Ayam Masak Merah is ready to serve! Ah, it smells so aromatic with the assortment of spices used for this dish, along with the sweet sour notes coming from the tomatoes. Absolutely delish and suitable for Malay cuisine lovers who cannot take food that is too spicy. Try it today! And we have come to the end of today's episode. Hope you guys loved this recipe and enjoyed the video. If you did, please help us hit the like button as it goes a really long way in supporting the channel. Subscribe to our channel for our weekly episodes. And I'll catch you in my next video.